Hey YouTube. Right now it's 7:46, and sorry. Look, it's raining outside. I know it should be surprising, but it's raining, and I hate rain, especially for cows. Like, I hate rain. But the good thing for him is that we get to play his favorite game. We play outside though. We'll play again today, but I can't find. Where's that ball I had? What did you do with it? Maybe I had a bouncy ball, and we're bouncing, and he catches it and everything. Well, we were playing that. But I guess we can use this now. You probably shoot it up or something, or probably hit it in the spot. He's like, oh, it's in the boots. It's in the boots. Gone. He's like, where'd it go? Under you, cow. He's like, under me, mama. So, oh my God, it's right here. He's like, what is this? What is this ball? What is this? Oh my gosh, that was funny. Simon's like, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on with this ball? Oh my God, Kawa. He plays like an animal. He plays too rough. Kawa's like, what's going on? Huh? Can you see him in there? Can you see him? So, that's what's going on today. Go, say bye. Say bye.